Hey there folks, welcome back to Tidbit Takeaways. I'm your host Max. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping, a topic that sparked quite the debate in the e-commerce realm. Some folks argue it's oversaturated, while others swear by its potential. Well, here's a tidbit for you. Did you know that the global dropshipping market size hit a whopping $128 billion? But hold on to your hats, because by 2026 it's projected to soar to a mind-blowing $476 billion. That's not just big, that's huge. So what does this mean for you? It means you've got just as much of a shot as anyone else to claim your slice of that $476 billion pie. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this ultimate beginner's guide to dropshipping will equip you with everything you need to know. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the dropshipping universe. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is dropshipping? Think of it as a low-risk, low-cost way to run an e-commerce business. Instead of shelling out big bucks for inventory upfront, you partner up with suppliers who already have the goods. When a customer places an order on your online store, it's the dropshipper who swoops in, handles the logistics, and ships the product directly to your customer. So then, what's your job? Well, it's all about curating a killer product selection, drumming up some buzz through ads and social media, and ensuring top-notch customer service. It's like running a store without ever having to stock the shelves. Now let's talk turkey, or rather the pros and cons of dropshipping. On the upside, you can get your e-commerce site up and running in a flash, test out products and suppliers with zero commitment, and kiss inventory headaches goodbye. But hey, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. With dropshipping, you're at the mercy of your suppliers when it comes to product quality and shipping times. Plus, you'll be swimming in a sea of competition, which can make it tough to stand out from the crowd. But hey, every rose has its thorn, right? So how do you dip your toes into the dropshipping pool? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, research your dropshipping business idea like a pro. Dive deep into niches, trends, and demand using tools like Google Trends and Deers. Step 2, cherry pick your dropshipping supplier with care. Platforms like AliExpress can be your best buddy here, offering products with no upfront costs or fees. Step 3, roll up your sleeves and build your e-commerce store. Shopify is the name of the game here, folks. It's affordable, user-friendly, and chock full of handy apps to streamline your setup. Step 4, it's time to spread the word about your dropshipping empire. Fire up those Facebook and Google ads, cozy up to influencers, and sprinkle a little content marketing magic on top. But hey, here's the kicker. The real secret sauce to dropshipping success lies in storytelling. Sure, anyone can slap up a store and call it a day, but it's those who weave a compelling brand narrative that truly stand out from the pack. So what's your story? What sets you apart? Nail down your values, broadcast your message far and wide, and watch as your brand blossoms into something truly special. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the not-so-rosy side of dropshipping. Slow shipping times, dodgy product quality, and a lack of branded experience can turn even the most ardent dropshipper's dream into a nightmare. Plus, platforms like Facebook aren't exactly dropshipping's biggest fans, making it tricky to scale your business with ads. But fear not, fellow entrepreneurs, for all is not lost. Dropshipping may have its pitfalls, but it's also a springboard for fledgling businesses to test the waters and find their footing. Use it as a launchpad to validate your ideas, build a loyal customer base, and eventually make the leap to e-commerce greatness. So there you have it, folks, the good, the bad, and the dropshipping. It's a wild ride, no doubt, but with a little grit, savvy, and a sprinkle of storytelling magic, you too can carve out your own slice of the e-commerce pie. Thanks for tuning in to Tidbit Takeaways. Until next time, stay curious and keep hustling.